On behalf of U.S. Transportation Secretary Elaine Chao and the U.S. Department of Transportation, I'm pleased to announce the award of $5 million in competitive grants to American Indian tribes and Alaskan Native villages under the Federal Transit Administration's Tribal Transit Program. These grants support 36 projects in 14 states, helping tribes improve public transportation in rural and remote areas where residents often have limited travel options. In Alaska, 12 native villages will receive grants totaling approximately $1.8 million. These grants will help fund a range of activities, including planning new transit services, replacing older transit vehicles, and improving passenger ferry service. In addition to the $5 million in grants announced today, FTA also provides $30 million in formula funding each year to tribes across the country.